Hey guys, welcome to Distraka channel guys. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic here. So this is will be nothing but you're promoting business by using Instagram option. So guys, who will be not subscribe my channel here and ask your comment anything of social media SEO can comment me. If you're missing any comment on section, do not give the reply. Just read back the reply. I definitely will be solve out your issues. Now coming to this one, how you can promote your business or YouTube channel, anything by promoting your Instagram by use option will be Facebook. First of all, any Instagram will be connecting first of all Facebook page compulsory important. The first priority is called to connecting any Facebook page. The connecting option will be Instagram. Once connecting this all option, here simple this in your Facebook page, the create ad will be here, boost post, boost an Instagram post, lot of options will be here. So what is my logic? I have to promoting my Instagram post by using Facebook, that is called to promote your website or YouTube channel. Anything you can promote. The final destination is called to promote your website or you promote your particular business or YouTube channel. Select your boost on Instagram post. Without connect Facebook page to Instagram, we can't create Instagram ad from Facebook. Select your boost post option in Instagram and Facebook. Here, what are the posting you've done? Everything will be here. These are your particular post option. Now go back here. We can refresh your option. So in this, what are the posts you've done? Everything you can select here. The post will be select from Facebook page. The option will be boost and Instagram post. It is not showing on your Facebook page. Simple. Here is all options are here. That is all option will be create post option. Here the option will be all option will be selecting in this option. But the option will be showing will be here. That is a create ad option. This compulsory you select by create ad option. So everything will be here in a particular options. Or else you select option name is called promote. You select option name is called promote. So now here I'll go to option name is called select Instagram boost post option. What are the posts you've done Instagram that will be promote will be here. So these all posts will be done by here. Now this post I can do by here, boost post. Now in this, first of all select your audience or your place or age, anything your particular edit option. First of all audience selection is the most important. So right now I'm selecting for up to 55 years. The India is selected. Here is that digital marketing. I'm selecting target audience. So array will be always middle. So any kind of promotion you done this, the array will be always middle. Suppose you're promoting only for Hyderabad. Some people only focus by Hyderabad. You can focus by Hyderabad also. But when you're promoting time, what are our potential reach? And arrow will always middle. So how many kilometer we can target? We can target by up to 80 kilometers. The minimum starting will be here 70 kilometers to zero is not possible. Minimum 17 to up to 80 kilometers. These radius are most important. Second thing is called what are the interested target? Digital marketing, age wise, everything. That all will be under comes to your option. So my target will be digital marketing. I focus particular audience in digital marketing option. That is the most will be reaching for audience. Based on selection your location, we are targeting for 11 lakhs people through target Instagram audience by using creating will be Facebook page option. Profile not suitable, only page can suitable here. Is it clear? After this option, save audience. Next, countdown. How many days you run the ad? That will be run. Minimum you can running ad will be 4 days. So it will be how much your budget will be each day. I can go with the 75 rupees minimum my budget will be. So minimum budget is 74. It will be not showing for properly. I found error. So you can go for it. It will be 400. 400 nothing but sorry for nothing but people reach per day 904 to 2.6k. The account will be amount will be done. So per day I can running for 4 days. Each day will be 100 rupees. You can running the amount. Finally, my estimation amount will be here. The engagement will be 119 to 344 is a daily results, and people reach will be 900 to 2000 people will be reach. Finally, click here boost post now option. So this is a simple method we can follow to promote your Instagram post by using option name is called Facebook page. So and people will be showing like this. The people will show the option, see the preview option. The previews will be customer will be watch your post, Facebook, desktop feed, mobile feed on your particular option on Facebook and Instagram. But my target will be Instagram Explorer feed here. So that is a learn more. They go to my channel here and Instagram learn more. So learn more option where you can find out here. They're creating for channel link by using the option. That all will be using the particular things. So that is a click. Anyone click for learn more option, they go to your particular YouTube channel things. Why? Because Instagram already linked with my YouTube channel. So this is a way we have to promoting your business or YouTube channel, anything by using Instagram from Facebook page. So anybody asks question, can you create Instagram ads from Facebook page? It is possible or not? Yes, it is possible. When it is possible, when Facebook page is a connecting for Instagram, they easily will be creating ad Instagram by using Facebook page. First of all, connection is more important. Still, people are facing connections. You can intimate me. I definitely sort out your issues from how we can promote your Instagram post by using Facebook page option. Don't forget, based on the budget, your reach and post engagement will be suitable for particular audience. This way we can follow. Any question you regarding this option, you can ask me my channel. I definitely will be support. Any further questions are here, you can comment me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.